Welcome to Organic Chemistry Lab at the University of Texas at Austin. Today we will be going over the Bromination of Arenes experiment. Please remember to obtain a lab coat and goggles when you enter the lab. Wonderful job! Okay, today we're doing the bromination of arenes. You're going to need 5 disposable test tubes, a large beaker, and an Erlenmeyer flask. The chemicals we're using today are dichloromethane, 1 molar bromine in DCM, cyclohexene, toluene, ethylbenzene, tert-butylbenzene, cyclohexane, and methylcyclohexane. Make sure that the MSDS sheets are printed out for all these chemicals. The SOPs for this experiment are C, B, G, D, and H. Today you'll be working in pairs. Label each test tube to correspond to one of the 5 compounds that being tested. Add each compound to its corresponding tube, and then add dichloromethane. Add bromine to each test tube, and then place the tube in the beaker under the light. Make sure you record the time it takes for the red color to disappear. Properly label each test tube and place into the beaker. Nice penmanship, Cecilia. Next, using the syringe, carefully draw up 0.5 milliliters of each compound and add it to the corresponding test tube. Now, using a pipette, add 2 milliliters of DCM to each test tube. Now with your partner, carefully add 0.5 milliliters of bromine to each test tube. Place the test tube in the rack in front of the light bulb and record how long it takes for the red color to disappear. To clean up, pour the contents of each test tube and any other waste into a beaker. Rinse each tube with a small amount of DCM and add that to the beaker. Then add a drop or 2 of cyclohexene to the beaker to remove any excess bromine. Be careful with cyclohexene because it smells disgusting. Bad Melinda. Do not remove the bottle from the hood. Now take the waste beaker to the waste area and pour it into the correct liquid waste bottle, which in this case is halogenated organic waste. Now dispose of all the test tubes into the glass waste container. Wash all your glassware and then put everything away. Finally, return the lab coat to the rack and the goggles to the UV cabinet. Wonderful job! Stay safe and see you next time.